Go na tayo.
Happy birthday, Rio.
Happy birthday, Rio.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Mommy.
Candy stinks.
Thank you, bro. Bro.
Are you serious, bro? Are you serious right now? You keep on bothering me. When I go home, then I'm going in your room and I'm sleeping there and hunting Rio. I'm gonna hunt you when you're sleeping. I'm gonna do this.
Thank you, Lord.
And I go to do it right now. Maybe no.
Yung gatas na lang ni Ruro.
Ano na no?
Mercury. Tapos magpagas na lang tayo konti.
Itagtag mo yung 200 para sa gas.
O sige, yung dami mong pera din.
Hindi mas important. Milk ni Ru, diba?
Where's my milk? Where's my milk?
Wala, baka walang milk si Ruro.
Mommy, I got some more plans to do.
Ay, oo.
Yeah, I got more I have 5 more plans to do. 5. But I don't know which one.
Lalong nakaka-distract itong
We can go somewhere.
Nakakasilaw na ba?
Oo, pero parang ang ganda din naman.
Oo, pero parang sana mas mataas na lang. Na hindi ganyan karami.
Wala kayong naiwan doon o ano? Mga bag nyo.
I did not.
Candies.
Where's my bug? There's a change there.
What changed?
The one, the glasses.
It's here with me, Ru.